Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to accept to install and just wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click to enable settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher. Turn it on. Now just go back here, click to the switch input methods and switch your HTC keyboard to the English United States. And as can you see here, we got the finished message. And now for example, we'll go here to the message, and as can you see, our new keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.